My hair is dry at the roots because it's not getting enough moisture, and because I live in an area that has moist heat, so it's hot and it's a lot of water vapor in the air, so it causes the moisture to escape from my hair, which doesn't make any sense, but I guess like since it's alike, it attracts. If you have moisture in your hair, it's being taken if you live in like a high climate area. So what you need to do is do apple cider vinegar rinses periodically. It already parted my hair in sections of 6 so that it's easier to manage and handle. This low-key looks cute. I think I might do this next time I do my hair. But like, yeah. So I already have it mixed. It's 3 parts water, 1 part apple cider vinegar. It is like very high acidic level, so it's not really good to use just pure apple cider vinegar on your hair. So dilute a little bit with water and then put it in your hair and leave it to sit for like 8 minutes. And that's what I'm gonna do now. All right, so I got my towel. I'm gonna start with the back. So I'm just gonna pull this one out. And if it's kind of hard to comb through the hair, don't even worry about it, because the apple cider vinegar has like a natural detangler. So it's like helps your hair get detangled. In a neighborhood in Philly that I can't go. She said, oh, you rich. Bitch, I got you where they call me Big Fish. So now I'm just gonna spray a little more just so I know it's on my scalp. Oh yeah, by the way, don't let it get in your eyes because it burns. Especially if you have contacts. I have contacts and yeah, it didn't feel good. You'd rinse out the apple cider vinegar with cold water so that you close your hair shaft so that no more moisture can escape. And just making sure you do that whenever you wash your hair if you live in an area that's high in heat and high in humidity. So here we are. Like, it really does look good. Like, usually my hair doesn't lay flat like this even when it is wet or dry or either. Like, it just doesn't lay flat. So the fact that it's even laying flat like this is crazy to me. But yeah, until next time.